Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook groups, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the two notifications in only one video. One is assistant professor or lecturer vacancies notification from one of the state university affiliated college, and here the UGC NET or PhD is not mandatory. And second one is a PhD admission notification from one of the top college in India, and here the selection will be based upon the online interview only. So let us see the details regarding both these two notifications. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video, and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Sri Swami Atmanand Saraswati Institute of Technology, affiliated to GTU Ahmedabad. So here you may check down in its official website. The career opportunities are given here. So I will show you the details regarding this one guys. So let's have a look here. Fine. So here two colleges are there guys. One is the Institute of Technology and second one is a diploma college. And here the vacancies are there from mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics and communication, computer, chemical, automobile, information technology, H&SS department, okay, lab assistant and administration, that means the non-teaching vacancies are also there. In the humanities and social science department, here the maths, English, management and physics, and here the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. In the Institute of Technology, the assistant professor vacancies are there, and here the lecturer and head of the department vacancies are mentioned here. So you may check down. And if you belongs to these departments with PG, okay, without UGC NET or without PhD also, you can apply for the lecturer post as well as assistant professor in this advertisement guys. Okay, so you can apply. So just please check the details once again regarding the educational qualifications, experience and pay scale as per the ACT, GTU or Gujarat government norms. And the suitable candidates applying for this college can download the prescribed application form from the official website itself. Okay, and for diploma college, it is official website, so you can download the application form from the corresponding official websites. So here you may check down. I will show you the application form guys, just wait. So filled application form along with self-attested copies of required certificates should be reached respective institute office by post, latest by 31st March 2021, and the number of posts may vary. Okay, so the March 31st is the last date for sending the hard copies to the mentioned address. Okay guys, so these are the details regarding this one. And if you want to check out the application form, then here the application form is given for the teaching staff as well as the non-teaching staff. Okay, application forms are there. Fill up this one and attach the relevant attested copies and then send to the mentioned address. So it is a faculty advertisement notification from this college guys. And while coming to the next one, as I told that PhD admission in one of the top college, that is IISc Bangalore, Indian Institute of Science. So here applications are invited from eligible candidates for admission to the regular research programs, that is PhD or MTech course programs and integrated PhD programs and PhD under external registration program. So here the departments are given: PhD in science faculty and MTech and PhD in engineering faculty, PhD in interdisciplinary areas. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may check down the details regarding the specializations and the eligibility criteria. So coming to the eligibility criteria, in engineering and technology, valid GATE score and master's degree valid GATE score or NET JRF is mandatory. Okay, and engineering, technology, architecture, agriculture, okay, desirable to have valid GATE score or NET JRF GPAT. Okay, so here for few departments it is given as a mandatory, but for few departments they are given as a desirable. Okay, they did not telling that essential. Okay, they just mentioned that desirable. That means added value will be there in the selection process. Okay, so please check down the details here guys. And here the selection process will be based upon the online interview guys, based on the performance in the national entrance test or the qualifying degree as detailed in the above table. and the selection is based on the performance in the interview, okay, in some of the departments, and aptitude test or the preliminary interview will precede the interview or the final interview. That means depending upon the department, they may conduct the exam or else they may directly go for the online interview. Okay, and MTech programs eligibility and all things are given here. So anyhow, interested candidates may check down, guys. Here the integrated PhD program is also there for few departments. Okay, so coming to the application fee, 800 rupees, 400 and 2000 and 800, okay, for these different categories. And coming to the important dates, okay, website opens on for the online application 22nd Feb and closes on 31st March 2021. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, guys. And here the scholarship is also available for the regular students. Okay, so different agencies are there to provide the scholarship. Okay, so it will be very much helpful to the regular students. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to. So here the Unacademy Accelerate program is there on the March 7th, that is Sunday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So you can win the 100% scholarship for NTA UGC NET subscription plans. Okay, so here the paper 1 total 50 questions will be there, and if you got the first rank and the second rank, then the 100% scholarship on subscription, and 3 to 10 75%, 11 to 35 50%, 36 to 150 25% you will get. So interested candidates may enroll now, and you have to check down the terms and conditions also.